Okay, Zaki, what is the day today?
Today is Somali Independence Day.
And what does that mean?
It means there was five, so Somalia is also Africa. So it was broken to 5 different countries,
Uh-huh.
which there's 5 points in the star. So yeah, and they reunited, and that's Independence Day because it's the day that because they could only be in one area of the country because it was all broke up, and then that was the one area. So the United Day was like the same Monday or the same Sunday that they were let free from that one area in Somalia. They could roam free.
And what does the flag stand for?
It stands for the Somali people.
Okay, and how about the star?
The star, it stands for the five different countries.
The different regions
Yeah, the
of Somalia?
different regions of Somalia. And then there's 5 points. So it's kind of like the 5 different regions.
Oh, wow, wonderful. And are you Somali?
Yes.
And are you going to Somalia?
Yeah.
What is Somalia's weather like?
Well, my dad showed me a video, and it's really, really sunny, so I'm excited to go there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it tropical?
Yes.
Do you like tropical weather?
Yeah.
What kind of fruits do you think they have?
I mostly think there's there's orange fruits that I've tried before. They look like tomatoes, but they're not. They look like orange tomatoes, and then they have the top, the stem like the tomato, but it's orange, and they're really sweet and good.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name's Zakia.
And what grade are you?
I'm about to be in 1st grade. I finished this school year, so this year I'm going to be in 1st grade.
And what else do you know? Do you know Quran? How many surahs do you know?
We're working on one, and I memorized one.
Can you tell me the one you memorized? Can
Yeah.
you read it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
MashaAllah. And what do you wish for the Somali people?
I wish that they can always be free, and they can go to America, and because I live in America, and they can be free, and they could go wherever they want and just have a happy life, and everybody have a heart for Somalia.
Do you have a heart for Somalia?
Yes,
How big is your heart for Somalia?
it's pretty big.
Can all Somalis get under that heart?
Yes,
And you think you can love all Somalis
yeah,
no matter what?
yeah.
Okay. Say bye to
Bye.
Somali friends.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.